My name is Honey Borla, and I want to welcome you to Las Vegas, Nevada. I sell in the northwest part of the community, which also includes the north, and specialty communities such as Summerlin, Southern, Highlands, which is bordering the northwest and the southwest, Aliante, Centennial Hills. I also cover the rural areas if you are interested in horse property or agricultural. We are very close to the Mount Charleston area, and my experience of 25 years provides me with the knowledge and the expertise to serve you better. So if you're looking to contact someone who knows the Valley, I have 40 years of residency here in Las Vegas, and I would be very, very happy to sit down and show you my Las Vegas. Thank you very much.